Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. My name is Mads and this is Leaf Outdoors. It's been a while since I made a video, but I'm on a vacation with my family in Hamburg, Germany, and I thought, why not make one now? So today will not be a big loadout or a trip outside cooking over fire or anything like that. This will be me showing my travel kit, what I bring when I travel. What I bring varies depending on where I'm going, but we are in Germany and we drove here by car, so I'm able to take more items than I would if I were traveling by plane. But let's get into it, show you guys what this contains. Let's get into the kit. So first off, I usually always bring a tonic key. This is a brand new one that I bought, a cat one, which stands for Combat Application Tonic Key. Some might say this is a bit excessive, but maybe I'm just damaged from my line of work. But this is great for car accidents and big wounds with a lot of bleeding. So I usually always bring one of these. I've used these 3 times in the past 10 years, and this is just a nice piece to have on your person or in your car at all times. This is my Maxpedition Mini Organizer pouch. I have a few of these different sizes, but this is my go-to when I'm on small trips. It's small, easy and lightweight, and it packs a lot of gear, even though it's a small bag. But let's check what's inside. I usually always bring some sort of main blade. This is just a folder from Spyderco. This is the Paramilitary 3 lightweight. This is made in Colorado, USA, and this is one of my best blades. It's great for preparing food with the grind on the blade, and it's also good just to have if you need to cut some cordage or whatever you need. So this is what I bring. On this side, I just have a small lighter. It's always nice to be able to start a fire. This is just an inexpensive lighter, and what I usually use these for on vacation is just lighting candles and stuff like that. But a lighter, nice to have. I usually always bring a multitool. This is my Victorinox, also known as the SAK, Swiss Army knife. This has a lot of application. I've talked about this in previous videos. It has 2 main blades, a lot of screwdrivers, a file, a saw, a magnifying glass, some pliers. But again, I'm on vacation, so what I usually use are these 5 tools. I have tweezers, toothpicks, then I have a built-in needle, nice for splinters. Then I have a small screwdriver that I use for tightening or loosening my sunglasses. And then of course I have a bottle opener for wine. Great, inexpensive and high quality tool, usually my go-to. I always bring a small flashlight. This is my Microstream from Streamlight. This is an old flashlight, but it's served me well, and it works just fine. You're able to attach this to a cap if you have one. Let me just show you. As you can see, so this almost serves as a headlamp, so you can use it without hands if you need to do some first aid or whatever. Go outside in the dark in the evening, out to your car, or if you need to unlock the door or whatever. Then I have a small first aid tin. Let me just see if I can open this with one hand. No problem at all. I have some painkillers. It's nice to have. Then I have a spare battery and some bandage. This is just a small assortment of first aid equipment to address small wounds, whether it's me or my kids that get cuts, and it's easy to address with stero strips or band-aids or whatever you need. Is a Mylar space blanket. This is a really great equipment. I've talked about it before. This is inexpensive, it's lightweight, and it takes care of a lot of things. So for example, when we're driving on vacation, if your car breaks down, then you're able to take one of these and wrap it around your kids or yourself to stay warm in the night. It's also great for addressing wounds, or if you hurt your arms, you can make a sling out of this. And lastly, these small pouches have these built-in keychains, where I just bring my keys. I have this small trim multi-tool. This just contains 3 different tools. As you can see, it has a small main blade. It has something to take care of your nails, and then it have a small flathead screwdriver with a cap opener. I also bring a handcuff key, and this is just a split from an used fire extinguisher. I'll just show you a quick tip what I use these for. So when you're on vacation or just at home, it can be windy, and if you don't have a doorstopper, these used splits from fire extinguisher are perfect. Let me just show you. So you have your door and you have your split, and then you just take it, put it in, and push, just like that. This will serve as a doorstop. Pretty neat little trick. Try it at home. So guys, that was what I had for you today. My small travel kit that I brought to Hamburg, Germany. Some might think that having a tourniquet is a bit over the top, but I would rather have one and not use it than have to use one and not having it. And like I told, the last 10 years I've used the tourniquet 3 times, so maybe it's just my line of work, but I always bring one. But guys, this was my small kit. I hope you enjoyed. Consider subscribing, and let me know in the comments, what do you bring when you travel? Do you go lightweight, or do you go all the way? I'm Mads, this is Leaf Outdoors. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great summer, and I'll see you in the next one. Leaf Outdoors, signing out.